Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to give a Bulla to your infant child or uh, the child that you have from 6 months to 12 months as a beginning food. So what do we need here is, first of all, I just boiled water, and I'm just putting a little bit, a pinch of salt, and like then now this is enset starch, or uh, usually called Bulla in Ethiopia. But you know what? If you don't find this in your country, you can use oats meal. That's okay with that. So there is the Bulla or the enset starch. So what do we do here now is like mix it well, like there must be all liquid out here, no solid left out here, like mix it very well. After we mix it well, we're gonna make sure by filtering it there is no any solid at the inside. See the solid? There is no solid needed at there, so we must mix it very well. Then we have to filter it. We're gonna filter it 2 times or 3 times because we just want to make sure there is no any solid in this insert starch or Bulla. So here we are filtering it for the second time. We just have to make sure that we are filtering it very well. Yeah, see, there is no any solid left. That's it, how we will going to filter it. So now we prepare our insets and starch or Bulla. So this is the boiled water that I was preparing at the first time. Like there is a pinch of salt in it, so now it starts boiling. So after it's boiled, what I will going to do is I'm going to put the insect starch or the Bulla that I prepared before. And because of I just want to make like cut the video, I just want it to be short, so I didn't show you when I put it into this boiled water. But now after we put it, we're gonna like wet a little bit, and we're gonna mix it again. So here is the butter I do. This is like the butter, it's called የነጠረ I think um when I say የነጠረ ቅቤ, I think you might understand me. It is a batter that we use in Ethiopia. And now I just crack my egg and put it, and we're gonna mix it well. We have to make sure the enset starch or bulla is mixed with the egg very well. Like there is no difference between them, like mixed well. See, there is yellow and white, but we have to make sure we mix it very well. This is what it actually looks like after we mix it well. As I told you, if you don't have this insect starch or bulla, you can use oatmeal. So we're gonna put it on in the plate, and this is what I made for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.